Hogslat's hopper valve kit offers a convenient solution for filling individual feed buckets or carts directly from the bin. It mounts to feed bin hopper cones, providing access to bin contents without running the auger. Installing the valve on your bin is a straightforward process. The tools you'll need include a drill with a 3/8" bit that can penetrate steel, a reciprocating saw, a metal punch or Phillips screwdriver, and a tape measure. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment whenever working on a project. Using a tape measure, center the provided stick-on template on the lower hopper cones approximately 6 inches from the bottom. Once centered, draw an outline around the template with a marker. Now remove the backing from the adhesive and stick the template to the cone where you just outlined it. After the template is in place, drill a hole large enough to allow you to cut out a rectangle with the reciprocating saw. We advise not to use a grinding wheel when cutting the hole. The heat generated from grinding can melt the galvanizing, making the surface vulnerable to rust. Once finished, drill holes in all 18 areas marked on the template. After the holes are drilled, go ahead and remove the sticker from the bin. Using the provided adhesive caulk tape, place strips of caulk along each side of the pre-cut holes in the mounting plate. You'll need to apply this caulk in the same manner on both sides of the mounting plate. Now slide the valve door into the guides on the mounting plate and make sure it's seated properly. After the valve door is in place, join the shroud with the mounting plate, making sure you align the bolt holes. Reach into the bin and place a bolt through one of the holes you drilled at the top. Now match that with the corresponding hole on the mounting plate and shroud. Before tightening it down with a nut, use a metal punch to align all the bolt holes on the plate with those drilled into the bin. Once the holes are aligned, insert the rest of the bolts and tighten them down with a drill. After the valve assembly is secured to the bin, attach the locking bracket to the shroud. Flange nuts should be secured on the outside of the bracket. Use the provided hex bolt and washers to attach the handle to the slide door and secure it with a lock nut. With the unit now attached to the bin, you can install the chute. Once again, make certain the flange nuts are secured on the outside of the chute. With the chute attached, you can now remove excess caulk with a metal punch or a putty knife. Test the sliding door to ensure it moves smoothly. The holes on the handle should line up with the locking bracket, allowing you to secure the valve shut with a padlock or cotter pin. You're all done. The hopper valve is now assembled and ready to fill your feed buckets or carts. You can purchase the hopper valve kit at any Hogslat retail store or through our website at www.hogslat.com.